Hey, what's up? David Duford here at davidduford.com, where I help insurance agents like you become top producing insurance professionals. Today, I'm taking a video suggestion from a subscriber who posted on one of my videos who wanted more explanation on what the upside potentials or benefits are of running an agency, as well as kind of some basic advice on how to structure an agency so that you can recruit talent in and make sure that everybody is in a win-win type of program. So I run an agency, of course, so I can speak volumes on this particular perspective because I've recruited insurance agents since 2013. I've been in the business since 2011, predominantly selling final expense, although we do recruiting for insurance agents who sell annuities and other products as well. And I can tell you that the insurance agency business in some ways is similar to selling insurance and then dramatically different in others. The way that it's the same as related to selling insurance is that insurance agency recruiting is essentially a numbers game. When you create an agency, you've got to get the word out about what it is that you do and the opportunity that you present to people out there and how you can help their lives by helping them get into a career where they can be financially prosperous, as well as have the freedom that comes along with being an insurance agent. So you have to get out there and share this fact with a lot of people. But just like any kind of business opportunity or small business venture, the failure rate is dramatic. And there's ways that you can overcome that as an insurance agency owner as far as training and support, things like I do and offer to my agents. But at the end of the day, some people are just not going to be a good fit for selling insurance. So you have to commit to recruiting a lot of people that fit the profile of what it is that you're looking for. One of the greatest advantages of being an insurance agency owner is that you get to duplicate your success in numerous other people. So your ability to scale your income can be a lot higher in the long term, where you have a lot of different agents doing what you normally did by yourself. So a lot of people who get into the insurance agency business have had insurance sales experience, and they reach a ceiling in their income and they want to diversify their income streams where maybe they still sell, but they also recruit agents to do the same thing too, so they get to add to their income streams by the production that they produce as well. Now, as far as how to recruit and attract and keep agents, that is an art form in and of itself. It's one thing to get people interested. It's another thing to keep them, as if you know anything about multi-level marketing, they're geniuses at getting interest, but they're not very good at keeping people on. Whether that's the agent's fault or not is another topic for another day. But the point is, what can you do to keep the talent, to keep the agents that you've convinced to come and join your agency? So one thing you want to do is create a relationship. And that can mean a lot of different things. Maybe you do regular meetings. Maybe you do regular ride-alongs. Maybe you make yourself available to them. Like with me, I'm always available to my agents via text message, email, or phone call. And I'm passionate about helping my agents become successful. You've got to have more of a connection to your agents beyond just a contract or beyond just a commission level. So think of ways that you can add value. That's another topic too, is you can add value at different parts of the process of selling insurance. I mentioned training and support, but many times good agencies that I've seen out there do lead program supplementation or subsidies for their agents. I know of several very successful multi-million-dollar agencies in the final expense business that don't charge their agents any type of fee for their leads. They go out there at a low contract and work leads for free, and it works great for them. And for some agents, that's a good fit because they don't want to fool with lead generation. They just are good at selling and don't want to deal with all the other aspects of the business, and that's totally fine. So long story short, you've got to figure out where you fit in this construct of running your agency. Do you want to have a lead generation program that's completely subsidized? Do you want to bring agents in at a street level or close to street level and have them pay for their own leads? How much interaction do you want with your agents? Do you want it to be a local agency? Do you want it to be a national agency? These are things that you have to decide upon and set in stone really from the beginning. The key in your business is to develop your unique selling proposition. What makes you different from the competition? You have to be able to explain to your agents why it's an advantage for them to work for you versus really any other job opportunity. And you got to be very good in convincing and believing that you can actually provide and deliver on that particular good point. So I hope that answers some of the upside potential of the insurance agency ownership business. I think for some people it's a great move. Others are better just strictly selling. It is a different skill set, I'll say the least, in working with agents. And you either are good at it and you enjoy it or you don't. And either way, it's fine. But there's always a place for you in the insurance business, which is the best thing about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It gave you some perspective. My name is David Duford at davidduford.com. If you haven't checked out the books behind me, I am author of 2 best-selling insurance sales training books for final expense and interviews with top-producing insurance professionals. I also recruit final expense annuity agents nationally. So if you'd like to learn more about my program, you can go to davidduford.com, click the Join David's Agency link at the top of the menu, and take your time browsing all of the informative videos that tell you how the program works. Again, David Duford at davidduford.com. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.